Kunjani baba? Liteng, likahle. Riteng. Uphi umntanakho? Upheshe. Okay. Wayithini imali wayithumelele yona? What did you do ngemali oyithunyelele ngumntanakho wayenzani?
Kile ka sebedisa bohlaswa.
What did you do with it?
Na itsekile ke tendentlo.
Then what did you do when?
Akukisisi ntatori.
Wena uyenzeni? What did you do with the money?
Ai ke sentse ke jele bohlaswa. Ke jele bohlaswa ka mantswe a mang ke jele le basadi le jwala.
You know, let me tell you something. This is serious. Sometimes it's parent abenza abantwana babe bitter. I saw umntanakhe working phesheya, but working like nobody business. Wathumelela utata i-500,000 tata ngicela sibe nekhaya. But I saw you eating that money. But uyitya nama Anto Bravalia and Seleville.
Ebo ke nnete mruti.
So now umntanakhe akasakhulumisi.
Asampuisa ke kopa hore a kgutle hape re tlo lokisa ditaba.
A kgutle hape.
Re tlo lokisa ditaba.
Don't abuse your children. Don't abuse their love. Don't abuse your children. Don't abuse their love. I saw Lomtana. She is bitter. She is destroyed. And now she's not even coping. I saw her. And the Lord said to me, help Lomtwana. I need to make sure, because as I'm talking to you now, umsebenzi walomntwana uzophela. Bathe kimi in the realm of the spirit, bamnikezela inyanga ubaphelele ngumsebenzi. But the Lord said, ngizomnika omunye umsebenzi tomorrow.
Ebo. Nkalebo ntate. Tate mruti.
She's going to call you on Friday, giving you
Ebo
a good
ntate
news.
mruti.
Umsebenzi azowuthola manje uzomnika the double salary.
Oh, ebo. Kyalebo.
Tell her when she called you, mtshela uba ubuye kumprofeti uMamani. Wathi umprofeti uMamani.
Amen.
Hear me, stop amen. Hear me. Tell her uba ubuye kumprofeti uMamani. Wathi umprofeti uMamani icontract yakhe ibiphela kule nyanga. Umprofeti wathi uzomnikeza umsebenzi. Wabese isithi umprofeti makayeke lo anaye umfana womlungu. Uthi kutsho mina. Uthi ngithe kuye, there is a man emfunayo from Zimbabwe. That man is the husband. He doesn't know that you know these things. You will be a good father.
Okay. Amen.
What's your name?
Precious.
Emel.
Precious.
Emel Valamel. I want to take you to your sleep. I'm coming to you. Come, Job. I saw her in a cancer yesibeletho. And the spirit said, what happened, kumamaki, it will happen to Naguya. And I need to take it away so that I'll be right. Mama, ngiphindisa lo mntana esibelethweni sikamamaka. Ngiyolahla icancer yesibeletho. Ngiyolahla isiqalekiso esiphezu komzimba wakhe. Nothing ebomini bakhe ezolunga, nimbone egula kuthiwa une cancer yesibeletho. Wathi uNkulunkulu le cancer yaphuma yangena kuye. So from today, she is healed permanent. It will never come back.
Ngiyabonga baba. Ngisize baba.
Kunezinto ebezihlupha abazali bakho. Sifuna ukubuya kuwe manje. Ngiyawuvala umnyango wokufa phezu kwegama likaJesu.